Original Potato Tuna Schnitzel. Easy, professional, and ridiculously easy recipe for your hearty dinner for the whole family. Please watch this step-by-step video instruction for successful preparation. Take 700 grams of potatoes. Peel. Cut into small pieces. Cook potatoes in salted boiling water for 20 minutes until cooked. Drain. Then cool. Chop green onions finely. Did you know that green onions contain fiber and folic acid, a B vitamin that helps the body make healthy new cells? Grate 250 grams of the cheddar cheese with a grater. Mash cooked potatoes. In a large bowl, mix together mashed potatoes, green onions, add 200 to 250 grams of canned drained tuna. Canned tuna can be replaced by canned salmon or any other fish of your choice. Grated cheese, 2 fresh eggs, and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix until combined. Shape patties, then coat with flour, shaking off the excess. You can also use breadcrumbs to coat the patties. In a large skillet, add 50 milliliters of olive oil and cook over medium heat on both sides until golden brown, approximately 4 minutes per side. Serve potato tuna schnitzel with light yogurt. Share your experience in the comments below. I love hearing from you. And subscribe to my channel for new, easy, delicious recipes.